Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make money by typing. Not the actual typing, but if you can do typing, that's great. If not, you can always outsource it. All right, but definitely it is not a textbook, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the things which is required. So before I proceed, I just wanted you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and click on the bell icon to get notified, because I make videos on a regular and a daily basis on how to make money from both paid and free strategies from different arenas. All right, so what exactly you need to make this $100 per day? All right, you need to have at least 10 to 12 hours a week, consistency and passion towards this method, and it is worldwide. All right, so anybody from on this earth can do this method. All right, and you can definitely make a full-time income. It's a very simple and a unique strategies, and definitely with this method it is location and time freedom. Okay, you can do this work from anywhere from this globe, from your laptop, from your mobile, from anywhere, and definitely it requires little low investment, and definitely no experience is required. You will know how to do it when you completely watch this video. All right, so friends, stay till the end because I'm going to explain you, show you how to do it with proofs. There are people who are making multiple 6 and 7 figures income from this particular method. Yes, I would even show you in this video the proof on how people are actually making money from this particular method and scaling up in order to set up their own business. And even if you cannot do it, you can outsource certain work so that with very small investment. That is why I always mention it requires a low investment. All right, by the end of this video you will know how you can set up your own business. So watch till the end and implement the simple hack to make anywhere between 2,000 to 5,000 a month easily if you work this method as I show you in this video. So stay till the end. All right, stay till the end. So when I go on Amazon, all right, I would go and check on the books because I love books and I keep reading books. And now, as you all know, this method, definitely this method is not an MLM where you don't even need to join any upfront or something. It's free to join. All right, so here you can see this particular books, right? A paperback which costs about 124 and the Kindle edition. All right, because nowadays we are most of the time or on mobile, on tablets, on iPads, right? So we wanted to read books on Kindle. So you can see these books, particular books have been sold, and it's not only one, there are many books which has been sold. If you can see here, it's a Kindle edition. You can see here the Kindle editions. So it means that there are people who are making tons of money from the Kindle editions. Right here you can see here they are paying zero, but even with that they would be making certain sort of money. All right, you can see here Kindle editions, right? You can see here Kindle editions, and there are certain people who are charging zero amount because this Kindle Unlimited also act as a similar to Netflix, where they even get paid a small amount of money on a regular monthly basis. All right, so you can see here there are tons of people are selling with the Kindle edition, and they are making pretty good money from it. And definitely you can see that's lot, and yeah, even here. So just assume in a day, if you can sell about 10 books, you make anywhere between this into 10 times. All right, so it depends upon how many of your books get sold. So how exactly you need to start this particular business? For that, what you need to do is you need to go in kdp.amazon.com. All right, this is a website. It's a Kindle direct publishing website, so you just need to go there. You can watch this video and you can have a sign up your account. Okay, and what does it do is you you self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle direct publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. All right, and you can get the market fast. Okay, publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide with just 24 to 48 hours. It's as quick and as possible, right? And you can make money by earning about 70% of royalties on sales to the customers in so many countries. You can see here US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy. There are like many companies, right? So you can enroll here, and definitely you can keep control of your rights and set your own listing prices. So you can make your changes to your book at any time. So you have your freedom. Okay, publish in digital and print, both Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for free on KDP. It's definitely free. So here you can see there is zero investments. All right, there is a zero investments, and you can get started. You just need to click here, self-publish and Kindle for free. You can just click on learn how easy it is. You have all the information, all the videos on how to get started, a step-by-step guidance you have learned on your own, and you can see a jumpstart. You can go and check it out, and you can have all the questions here, and you can see the benefits what you have. The first benefits is you have your own rights, right? You can keep control of your rights and set your own price list. And again, market is fast because it has been shared within 24 to 48 hours with across the globe. Okay, and you earn royalties of 70%, right? And how exactly you do it, right? You just need to have a prepare your manuscript and the cover. Check out the tools and resources. They already have the tools and resources. You can even check out. Make sure your book meets the content and quality guidance. And someone might say me that someone I don't know how to write it. No problem with that. You can definitely go to fiverr.com. Okay, I always make use of this particular website because this gives me a proper work, and I have got many works done, and they have a very good work over here. All right, so you can see here I will do ebook formatting, ebook design. I will expertise create space formatting Kindle ebook. Okay, so you can go and check it on. We are looking out a person who can do for her a nice, you can see here KDP paperback. So you can go here. They charge merely about $10, right? And for $10, what are we? It's stock format, 50 pages converted. Okay, and if you don't know how to get your ebook done, you can even order them to get your ebook on particular topic and content. You just need to give them the content, and they would help you to get your work done. And after that, they would even help you to get your ebook covers also done. You can see here you can hire a ghostwriter to write your book and proofread it, and definitely they can do it. You can see here this particular person who does it merely for $60, and you get your book, and which is can be sold a number of times. Okay, you can see here ebook writing, fictional, all those things, and even on the niches. These are the niches which this particular person write it, right? So you can check what niche you wanted your Kindle book to be mentioned, and you can get your ebook also designed. You can see here these are the ebook covers which they design it. They look so wonderful, and if your book cover are such a powerful, it means that main headlines are is the book quality also should be good. Along with it has to meet the guidelines of KDP. Along with it, if it has a very catchy ebook cover, okay, then means that the sales might increase only by seeing this ebook covers. So make sure you order with a person who does really very good job with this particular ebook cover designs, and the ghostwriter if you don't know how to write. If you know how to write, then that is one of the best thing. All right, and I also said you that there are persons who are making huge money from Kindle. Okay, as I showed you, even here these are also the persons like this person, whoever have the Kindle edition, Stephen Hawking. Okay, and you can see here they have posted in the year 2007, and still this book is been selling 1919, and still this book is selling. Okay, you can see here it's been sold from so many years, and you can see here the 2016 it's been sold, huge time. So you get paid to royalties nearly about some 70%. And you can see this person also he posted last year. His name is Joseph Hogg, and he also done this particular stuff where he made about $500, and nearly 90% of his books sold in less than 100 copies. Okay, he sold nearly about 624 copies in April on 10 books with income split. And you can see here how much he has made, right? So this particular book is his, and he has been selling it from past 2 years and making very pretty good income. You can see here these are the books which he has been selling it, and you can see here the number of units been sold and how many can read, and what is the amount he is making. You can see here these are in the dollars. It's nearly about $653 he made by selling these books in just 1 month, which is really awesome. And you can see here, so it means that these are the people who are actually making money from this particular method, right? So you just need to sign up, and you can see here Kindle ebooks details, Kindle ebook content, and ebook pricing. So you get all this information over here, and you can prepare all this at the bookshelf. And they also promote your book, okay, and publish your Kindle ebook. It's as simple as that. You can see here the proof copies, the author copies, and you get, because you become an author. And once you become an author, and you even promote to Facebook on your Facebook social pages, on any social medias like Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or Twitter, and tweet. And if there are people who follow you, they also buy your Kindle edition, and that's how you start making money step by step. But for that, you need to do is you need to set up your business. You need to select what you need to do, and all the videos has been present over here. You have a jump start. When you click on over here, a step-by-step guidance on how to do it, you can see here how to get started. You have the video. You have to provide them the book details. You need to provide the manuscript and the cover. Manuscript are nothing but the information of the book plus the covers which I showed you, and the rights and pricing. You need to give the rights and the pricing, and what are the topics covered, what you will so you have all this information where you can actually learn from this particular sector and implement the same strategies and publish your book. It is as easy as whatever I shared with you. So for that, you need to do a work is, as I said, you need to work for nearly about 10 to 12 hours so that your book get listed on KDP, and you can make tons of money. If you like this video, comment below this video how did you like it, and if you are looking out a way of making money from ClickBank, then here's my course where I show you on how to select a niche blogging, and which is helping me about making $300 from ClickBank regularly, consistently with Bing ads. And I show you how to do it, how to set up your lead magnets, how to create the content, and how to select the keywords which gives you money. All right, so I believe you like this method. I would just tell you, follow this method so that you can set up your own business and you can make multiple 6 to 7 figures income in a coming year or 2 or 3. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just subscribe to my channel, get notified, because I make videos on a regular and a daily basis on how to make money online from different strategies, both paid and free.